السلام عليكم. Chain rule قاعدة السلسلة. Why it is named chain rule? Let us see. If we have dy by dx, dy by dx, we can write this as dy by du, another function. For that reason, it is called function of function, دالة الدالة, or composite function. Multiply du by dx. This is the chain, this silsila, du and du. For example, if you cancel, but this is not mathematically true, if you cancel du by du, you will get dy by dx. Let us see one example. I solve this example with long way, and then I give you the rule for the short way. When we use composite function, for example, if we have this function y equals 4x plus 5 to the power 7, it is difficult to expand the bracket. صعب ان انا افك البراكت. So how can we solve this? We say let u equals 4x plus 5. Then y equals, now by using the chain rule, what do? We find the dy by du. So dy by du equals 7u power 6. What about du by dx? Differentiation of u related with respect to x, it is 4. Then when we apply this chain rule, we say dy by dx equals dy by du, which is 7u power 6, multiply du by dx, which is 4. Then we replace u by its value, which is 4x plus 5. Then the answer is 7, 4x plus 5 power 6, multiply by 4. This is long way, طريقة طويلة. I give you the rule for the very simple way, the short way. Look at this rule. If y equals f of x power n, bracket power n, what is dy by dx? The power goes down, الباور ينزل تحت, and the minus 1 from the power, multiply the derivative of inside the bracket. Look at this example. Y equals 3x power 4 plus x all power 5. Find the dy by dx. So how can we apply the rule? dy by dx. The power goes down, الباور ينزل تحت 5. And minus 1 from the power, it becomes 4. 3x power 4 plus x. Multiply the derivative of inside the bracket. So we need to differentiate inside the bracket. d by dx, the bracket 3x power 4 plus x equals 4 times 3, 12x power 3 plus 1. So this is the derivative of inside bracket. We multiply here 12x power 3 plus 1. So the power goes down, الباور ينزل تحت. Reduce 1 from the power, multiply the derivative of inside the bracket. Look at this. Here, this is a square root. We have to write it as a power. Square root, it is power half. So we rewrite the function. So y equals 5x power 2 plus 1 power half. To apply the rule, عشان أقدر أطبق الرول. We need dy by dx at the point 4 and 9. So dy by dx, power ينزل تحت, the power goes down. Minus 1 from the power, remember, half minus 1 equals negative half. So we write negative half. And inside the bracket the same. 5x squared plus 1. Now we multiply, don't forget, ما تنساش, the derivative of inside the bracket. The derivative of 5x squared, 2 times 5 equals 10x. The derivative of 1 is 0. You can simplify 10x plus 0, it's 10x. 10x multiply half, cancel 2 with 10 equals 5. So the answer in simplest form is 5x multiply 5x squared plus 1 power negative half. We need the value at this point, dy by dx at 4 and 9. So dy by dx at 4 and 9. We replace x by 4. So 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiply 4 squared plus 1 to the power negative half. 5 times 4 equals 20. Power negative half, so we can move it down to be power half. Power half, it means the square root of 4 power 2, 16. 16 times 5, 80. 80 plus 1, 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So the answer is 20 over 9. Okay, now let us see another example. Given that y equal, find the value at. So remember, we have to write the function as bracket to the power. Then we shift this upward. When we move the bracket up, نغير الساين of the power. بدل ما هو positive 2 يبقى negative 2. Then we write this as y equals 4x plus 1 to the power negative 2. Now we need to what? To differentiate. So dy by dx, power ينزل تحت, minus 2. Reduce 1 from the power, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Everything is the same, 4x plus 1. Multiply what? Multiply the derivative of inside. A differentiation of 4x plus 1, a differentiation of 4x is 4. Well, 1, 0, so it's 4. Negative 2 times 4, it's negative 8. It's simplest 4. So the answer is negative 8 bracket 4x plus 1 power negative 3. Now we need the value at quarter and quarter. So dy by dx at the point quarter and quarter, replace x by quarter. So negative 8, 4 multiply quarter plus 1 power negative 3. It's negative 8. The power comes down to be positive 3. 4 times a quarter, it's 1. 1 plus 1, it's 2. 2 power 3, 8. Negative 8 divided by 8, it's a negative 1. Okay, it's easy. Now, we have another form of dy by dx. We can say dy by dx equals 1 over dx by dy. When we use this formula, if it is difficult to write y as a subject, لو كان صعب إن أنا أخلي y لحالها. For example, this. He said, find dy by dx at the point 8 and 2. So this is x and this is y. For this equation, in this equation, it's difficult to write y as a subject. صعب إن أنا أخلي y لحالها. So how can we do this? بدل ما أقول dy by dx, أجيب dx by dy بعد كده أقلبها. So we write this as x equals 3 y squared minus 2y. It is the same. Now, we differentiate both sides with respect to y. So we need to get d by dy. And also this one, d by dy. We differentiate with respect to y, not with x. So, what is the derivative of x with respect to y? It's dx by dy. Finished. What is the derivative of 3y squared with respect to y? 2 times 3, it is 6y. وخلاص. Minus derivative of 2y, it's 2. So this is dx by dy. But we need dy by dx. We flip. How can you flip? Oh, we can write this as a fraction with denominator 1. Then we flip this one and flip that one. So dy by dx equals 1 over 6y minus 2. It's easy. Now we need the value at 8 and 2. Remember, x and y. So dy by dx at 8 and 2. Remember, this is x and this is y. In that we don't have x, we have y. So we replace y by 2. So it's 1 over 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2. 6 times 2, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. So it's 1 over 10. I think it's a very easy topic. I hope you understand this. Thank you.